a time in the magical kingdom of enchanted waters, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was a joyful and curious child, with eyes that sparkled like the morning dew. She loved exploring the kingdom with her best friend, a friendly frog named Felix. One sunny day, Felix invited Lily to join him at the Royal Lagoon, a beautiful and mystical place where all the creatures of the kingdom gathered to swim and play. Lily had always admired the graceful fish and the elegant swans that glided effortlessly through the water. She dreamed of swimming like them, but there was one problem. Lily didn't know how to swim. She felt a little scared whenever she saw the deep water of the lagoon. Seeing her hesitation, Felix gave her an encouraging smile. "Don't worry, Lily," he croaked. "I'll be with you every step of the way. Let's take it slow and start in the shallow end." Lily nodded, taking a deep breath. With Felix by her side, she waded into the shallow water. At first, she just splashed around, giggling as the water tickled her toes. Felix showed her how to move her arms and legs, explaining, "It's just like dancing, but in the water." Slowly, Lily began to feel more comfortable. She tried floating on her back, with Felix holding her hand. The warm sun kissed her face, and she felt a sense of calm. "This isn't so bad," she thought. "I can do this." Over the next few days, Lily practiced diligently. Each day she swam a little farther and a little deeper, always with Felix cheering her on. The other creatures of the lagoon noticed her progress and offered their support. The wise old turtle, Mr. Turtlington, gave her tips on staying buoyant, and the playful otters showed her how to dive gracefully. One afternoon, after much practice, Lily felt ready to swim across the lagoon. With her heart pounding in excitement, she took a deep breath and plunged into the water. She kicked her legs and moved her arms just as Felix had taught her. The water felt cool and refreshing against her skin. As she swam, she remembered all the advice her friends had given her. She felt strong and confident. Halfway across, she looked back and saw Felix and all the lagoon creatures cheering for her. Filled with joy, she swam even faster. Finally, Lily reached the other side of the lagoon. She climbed out of the water, laughing and jumping with delight. Felix hopped over and gave her a big froggy hug. "You did it, Lily," he exclaimed. "You're a true swimmer now." From that day on, Lily swam in the Royal Lagoon with all her friends, feeling as graceful as the fish and as elegant as the swans. She had conquered her fear and discovered the magic of swimming, thanks to the support and friendship of Felix and the other wonderful creatures of enchanted waters. And so, Lily's days were filled with joy, adventure, and the sparkling blue waters of the Royal Lagoon.